Hey there, ever wondered how to test a null hypothesis? Let me break it down for you step by step. First up, you need to state your null hypothesis. This is basically a statement that there's no effect or no difference. For example, the average test score is 75. Next, state your alternative hypothesis. This is what you want to prove. For example, the average test score is not 75. Now choose your significance level, usually 0.05. This is your alpha level, and it tells you the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it's actually true. Once you've got that, it's time to collect your data. This could be through experiments, surveys, or whatever method suits your study. Step 4, calculate the test statistic. Depending on your data, you might use a z-test, t-test, or another statistical test. This test statistic helps you compare your data against the null hypothesis. Then determine the p-value. The p-value tells you the probability of observing your data, or something more extreme, if the null hypothesis is true. Compare the p-value to your alpha level. If the p-value is less than or equal to alpha, you reject the null hypothesis. If it's greater, you fail to reject it. Finally, make your conclusion. Based on your comparison, you'll either reject the null hypothesis or fail to reject it. Remember, failing to reject doesn't prove the null hypothesis. It just means there's not enough evidence against it. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be testing null hypotheses like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.